trophies. Welcome to this 5-minute rebounder challenge where we are going to do squat, press, walk, and squat pulses with a bounce, and we're going to alternate between the two, okay? So I want your chest lifted, chin level, mouth closed. We're going to nose breathe. So when we're doing our steps, you can have your feet lifting off the mat, you can have them partially connected with each step, or you can have them firmly planted on the mat. It is up to you. You could even stay in this position throughout the entire 5 minutes. But we're gonna alternate. We're gonna put our feet together every 8 counts, and we're gonna pulse down with flat feet against the mat, okay? Are you ready for this thigh burner? We're also gonna be activating the hamstrings and the glutes. Feel the full lower body connection and the core and your nose breath. Are you ready? Let's get started. Here we go, starting with steps. Chest up, chin level, knees bent. Breathing in and out. And in and out. And in and out. Feet together, pulsing. Here we go. In, exhale. Exhale, and we're going back to steps. Here we go. For more of a challenge, bend your knees more. For less of a challenge, stand up a little taller. Going back to pulses. 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Exhale. Back to steps, 3, 2, 1, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, back to pulses, here we go. 8 count. Back to steps, here we go. Challenge yourself with that deep knee bend, core engaged, chin level. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Pulses, 3, 2, 1. Back to steps, 3, 2, 1. Shoulders relaxed. Back to pulses, 3, 2, 1. Connect with your glutes, your hamstrings, feel them. Take a moment to connect to your muscles. Back to steps, 3, 2, 1. Pulses, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. to steps in 3, 2, 1, go. Pulses, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. We're almost finished. Stay right here. Two more counts. 7, and 3, 2, 1. All done. Go ahead and health bounce with me. Shake out those arms, shake out those legs, full body activation and release. You did amazing. How do your legs feel? This right here is my 40-inch bungee Be-Canned Soft Land Series unit. It has a T-bar. I have the firm bungees on my unit, but this unit also came with soft bungees that are green, so I could have chosen between either, and I chose the firm bungees. This unit is on Amazon. It's 40 inches. It's linked in the description box below. If you decide that you want to have our #1 budget-friendly recommendation, Rebounder, please use code IJUMP and use the Be-Can code down in the description box below. Thank you so much for joining me. If you like this routine, please give us a like and comment below and tell me how your legs feel. Thank you so much for your feedback, everyone. If you are looking for more routines from IJUMP, I want you to go to our join button and check out the 2 memberships we have. We have a $9.99 a month membership that includes 2 brand new routines every single week. These routines are beginner friendly, but they're also challenging, and they're typically in the 20 to 30 minute range. 2 new routines every week in the Rhythm membership. And then we have the Trophy membership for $24.99 per month. This includes 7 brand new routines weekly with a variety of durations and intensities. If you are interested in joining us, come along and check out these amazing routines. Even just for a month, you can try these membership workouts and you can be consistent on your trophy body journey and really build muscle and flexibility and heal weaknesses and connect to your transformation. We really hope to see you there in the memberships. The link is also down in the description box below. Remember about the Be-Can bungee unit if you're interested in our #1 budget-friendly Rebounder unit recommendation. We also recommend the Spring Cellar Sizer Rebounder for maximum resistance, and we also love the Jump Sport 350 Pro Rebounder with a wide handlebar for the bungee equivalent to the Cellar Sizer, but the Cellar Sizer ultimately does offer the most resistance. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.